And that's all I have to say today. If you didn't feel that, that was the bolt of lightning that was anticipated. As I was going to say, in a peaceful consciousness, we can be so grateful for knowing that we are the light, that we bring the light with us. And so as we enter into this meditation time, I invite you to close your eyes and breathe deeply, relaxing into this moment. Breathing in, breathing out, knowing you are the light. Say it silently to yourself, I am the light. I am the light. Each of us is whole and complete and brilliant with the light of Spirit. That means we release anything unlike the light. Breathe into that, letting go. Letting go. Whatever might be on your mind or heart this morning, let it go.